What's going on, guys? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and it's time for another sale video. I've almost lost all the juice on my phone here, so we'll see how much video we can get for you. I'm actually on my way home from a whole bunch of other sales. I was almost there, and then I saw a sign. You got to follow the signs. Okay, so we're going to head in here. There were a lot of cars heading out. There's a lot of cars still here. I didn't see this advertised anywhere. I might have just missed it. I just got lucky I caught a sign. But we'll see. It's a moving/estate sale. We'll see what's left over here at, well, it's pushing 11 o'clock. I don't know. Let's go see. In terms of garage sale, estate sale settings, I mean, I don't know where y'all live, but Montana has a lot of places beat. So that first building was just farm and ranch. I didn't actually get any footage in there. Saddles, halters, stuff like that. Nothing I know anything about, but I think there's some actual home stuff coming up in this next building. We'll check it out. Hi, baby. Hi. Getting that guy and that guy. Tell you more here in a minute. This is cool, but there's some cracking. More lid.
No way. There's more in the house if you want to take more. Oh, yeah. Okay.
We have all of these things at the house. Although we should get it.
Hi. Hi.
Are you literally? Okay. Hey. My garden, those edges.
Mm-hmm.
That's my sister. All there.
Oh, okay.
I know we paid $600. I don't know how much he would come down under that, but if you're interested, I'm sure he would. Well, yeah.
That is cool.
Well, the one I bought him last. Well, one I bought him last year.
Yep. Yes.
Used.
I think you get it out. It's a recliner. Hold up. Fine. There you go.
What we got here?
If you take both, I'll give you a sweet deal, because inside is the matching couch.
Might not be a bad idea. Box. Bailey, though. That's probably about what it's worth.
How you doing, sir?
I'm well. How are you?
You're doing wonderful. So far.
Yeah. There's still time, right? Remember this guy? I sold this one before.
next? Oh, and you found a crock
found a
pot.
crock pot.
Awesome.
It looks dusty, so I know you've been using it.
Yes. And that's all it needs is just a little bath.
Yeah.
Let's
So,
get you another box.
what do you think for our little pile here?
Ooh, perfect box. There we go.
And a box? How much are you going to charge me for the box,
No,
though?
oh no, we throw the
Box
box
is
in
the
for
most-
free.
Okay.
It's like gift wrapping for free. Okay, let's do. Oh, and of course I get a box that's too small. Well, that was dumb.
Oh, that's okay. We got the Dust Buster is the only thing there, and then those two
And that
guys in the
these two?
CD.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
15 for everything.
Sure. We'll do that.
That sound good?
Yep,
All
that's
right.
fair. Especially if you're going to throw a box in.
I
I mean,
know, right?
come on. Okay, so here is our haul. You guys have seen me sell this before. Last time I got it for $1. This time, I don't know. I probably got it for $2 or $3. Didn't pay much for it at all. It's dusty. Got to wipe it down, but it works and it's in great condition. They're very easy to ship. Fits right in a 12 by 12 by 8 box. What else did we get? We got this at the very end. I was asking her on the price, and she said 15. I only had a 20. So she went to go get change, and I looked at the table, and this was sitting there. It's kind of cool. It's an old ashtray. I know Kevin over at Commonwealth Picker loves ashtrays. He'd be proud. I picked up an ashtray and a couple of vacuum cleaners this weekend. So you can see this is handcrafted in Arizona. It's obviously got the southwestern look to it. There's a little bit of crazing in there, but it's got a cool look. I have no idea what it's worth, but she said 15. She came back. I said, hey, what if we throw this in there? I was actually thinking, you know, I'll add $1, $2, whatever. She goes, yeah, okay. So we got that for no charge, which is hilarious. This actually sells pretty well. I looked through, they had a whole box of CDs. I didn't look through all of them. I looked through a good number of them, and some of them sold. A lot of them were like $4 or $5, and I didn't want to fiddle with that. But this one sells for, I think it was like 10 to 12 bucks, and it sells all the time. It's relatively rare. So I figured, you know what, why not grab that? So we did pick that up. We got the old Dirt Devil. You might have seen we picked up a Dirt Devil on another video as well. These things sell pretty well. So I did pick that up. And then these are our big winners from this one. This is the Aku Aku. At a quick glance, I mean, there's nothing on the bottom here, but I believe this is vintage from Vegas. And look up over here. That's good, guys. And then how about this one? This is like the Easter Island guy, like a tiki mug, but it's an Easter Island statue. You can see on the bottom there. There we go. It was exclusively for Skipper Kent's in San Francisco and Hawaii. So I guess 2 different locations. This also vintage and relatively rare. Again, look at the comps. That's crazy. So we absolutely picked these 2 things up. We are going to make a lot of money off of those little guys, especially considering we paid $15 for everything. So that's our little estate sale pickup, guys. We got to see a beautiful property, got to hang out with a really cool horse. Didn't get video, but I did get to pet the horse for a little bit. I love horses. I think horses are unbelievably beautiful. They're my favorite animal, hands down. So I did get to hang out with the horse a little bit, said hi to a neat dog, and we made some money. You know what? Pretty good day. If you haven't already, subscribe, please. We're pushing towards 900, and then once we get 900, we're pushing towards 1,000. You hit the bell. That'll let you know when we put up new content. And we've been doing it every day for a while, and we're scaling that back a little bit. We're looking at really kind of every other day, just to be sure that we have enough time to still put stuff up on eBay. And we still have time to put together good videos for you. So 3-4 times a week we've got new content. If you hit the bell, that'll let you know when that's happening. And if you've got any comments, please put them down below. If you've got any questions, anything like that, love answering questions. We might even do it on a video coming up. So thanks for stopping in, guys. I sure appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.